Yeah, from the dust to the light, Zimbabwe, listen.
Ndakakurira pakati pamatambudziko, empty pockets asi hope dzakakura. Mumugwagwa ndakadzidza kusimuka, kudonha kahana ndichidzoka futi. No silver spoon, just hustle and faith. Amai vangu vakandudza ramba wakamira. Takatakura nyika pamapfudzi edu, but still we smile, still we push. Kana zuva ravira hatiperi, tomorrow iri mumaoko edu. Pain made us sharper, now we move better. Takamuka, move, from the struggle to the view. Hatina kupiwa, takatora, every win we paid our dues. Takamuka, fambaneni, hands up, feel the truth. Zimbabwe rising, we got nothing left to lose. Mazuva karema, usiku urefu, candlelight dreams, load shedding proof. Vakaseka pavakati hatizokwani, now they listen when we speak. Dakaona shamwari, chichirasika, but their names stay in my verse. Dakazipikira handidzokeri sure, this life I reverse. We made it through the rain,
scarred but standing,
stronger from the pain.
Takamuka,
move, from the struggle to the view. Hatina
kupiwa,
takatora, every win we paid our dues.
Takamuka, fambaneni,
hands up, feel the truth. Zimbabwe rising, we got nothing left to lose. Kananikati struggle,
you say.
Takamuka, Kananikati Zimbabwe,
you say.
Takamira, from township kusvika kumusha. One blood, one future. Now we building something solid, brick by brick, no shortcuts. Didi wana wenye, my accent is my power. They told us wait, I turned, we made our own lane. From pain came purpose, from loss came gain.
Takamuka,
Fambamberi, this is more than a song, yeah.
Zimbabwe,
In our heartbeat, hear the strength in our tongue, yeah.
Takamuka,
Takamira,